Here y to delta transformation and or otherwise delta to y conversion. See here in this bridge circuit, the given bridge circuit here supply R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6. So this is the bridge network. Here bridge network is in different way, star or delta. Here R1, R2, R3, if they given here in this way, R1, R2, R3 in Y connection, so convert into RA, RB, RC. This is the conversion. If they given generally it is star or T network, R1, R2, R3, it convert into pi network. So RA, RB, RC. This is the given. So here delta to Y conversion. So it is more convenient to work with a Y network in a place where the circuit contains a delta configuration. Then Y network can be superimposed on the existing delta network, and the equivalent resistance can be find out in the Y network. The equivalent resistance for terminals 1 and 2 in figures 1 and 2 are obtained as here. In Y connection R12, here R12 means here 1 2 terminals. If the R2 is neglected across the 1 and 2 terminals, R12 is in series R1 plus R3. In delta connection, see here R12 is nothing but here 1 and 2 is here B is, see observe this one. So RB is parallel with 3 is removed and 4 is removed, only 1 2 terminals are taken. So here RB is in parallel with series of RC plus RA. See that's one. R12 in delta is equal to RB in parallel with RA plus RC. A setting R12 of star is equal to R12 delta gives here R12 is equal to, what is that, R1 plus R3. From these two, observe very carefully, here these two terminals, 1 and 2 terminals of the star connection and 1 and 2 terminals of the delta connection, these two are equal. Here R1 R3 are series, here RB is parallel with RC and RA. So here from that R1 to delta is equal to R1 to pi. So here R12 is equal to R1 plus R3, that is equal to RB in parallel with RA, RB into RA plus RC by RA plus RB plus RC. So now similarly R13, that is equal to R1 plus R2, that is equal to RC into RA plus RB by RA plus RB plus RC. Now R34 is equal to R2 plus R23 is equal to R2 plus R3. So that is equal to RA into RB plus RC by RA plus RB plus RC. So here equation 1, equation 2, 3, 4, 5. So here how we get the fifth equation, subtracting equation 4, that is R2, generally R23, that is called R23, not R24, 3, 4. That means here R34 means 3 and 4 terminals. R13 is nothing but 1 and 3 terminals. R12 is nothing but 1 and 2 terminals. Here R34, the fourth equation is R34, 3 4 terminals, and equation 2 is R12. So here subtracting equation 4 from equation 2, we get R1 minus R2, that is equal to RC into RB minus RA by RA plus RB plus RC. Here, adding equation 3 and 5. Adding equation 3 and 5 gives R1 is equal to RB RC by RA plus RB plus RC. So, and subtracting equation 5th from equation 3rd, it's that R2 is equal to RC RA by RA plus RB plus RC. That is 7th equation. Now, subtracting equation 6 from equation 2, we obtain, that is R3 is equal to RA RB by RA plus RB plus RC. There is no need to memorize equations 5th to 8th to transform a delta network to Y. Extra nodes n can be created as shown in figure 3 and follow this conversion. Now each resistor in Y network is the product of the resistor in the two adjacent delta branches divided by the sum of the three delta resistors. Simple. If see here if we want R1, so multiply two adjacent branches resistors, that is RB and RC, and add the denominator all branches here RA plus RB plus RC. Here for example R1 is equal to, here R1 is equal, for example, that is R1 is equal to RB into RC by RA plus RB plus RC. Now, for example, RT is equal to R2 is equal to RC into RA divided by RA plus RB plus RC. So that is the R2, and here R3 is these two adjacent branches. What are the two adjacent branches resistance? RB and RA. So R3 is equal to RA into RB divided by RA plus RB plus RC. So that is the easy to remember way. That is the way to easy remember. So now way to delta conversion. To obtain the conversion formula, here way to delta conversion. Here to obtain the conversion formulas for transforming a Y network to an equivalent delta network, we note from equation 6 and 8 that R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1, that is equal to RA RB RC into RA plus RB plus RC divided by RA plus RB plus RC whole square. So here square and RA plus RB, numerator and denominator square and numerator RA plus RB plus RC is cancelled. Now R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 is equal to RA RB RC divided by RA plus RB plus RC. So now dividing equation 9 by each of equation 6 to 8 leads to the following equations. Now here RA is equal to R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 divided by R1. Now RB is equal to R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 by R2. So now RC is equal to R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 by R1. Here this is each resistor in delta network is the sum of all the possible products of Y resistor taken two at a time divided by the opposite Y resistors. So for example, see one problem. Here see one example problem. Simple problem. This is here see, observe this one. To obtain the equivalent resistance, here the terminals AB for the given circuit. Here the given T subnetwork. So this is the T. This is the T subnetwork. 10 ohms, 5 ohms, 20 ohms. It is in T subnetwork into equivalent network gives delta. Here see here this 10 ohms, 20 ohms, 30 ohms. Here 10 ohms, 5 ohms, 20 ohms. So these are converting to, so what is that? Delta connection. See, observe this one. Here this is 10 ohms, 5 ohms, 20 ohms. So this is 17.5, 70 and 35 ohms. So delta conversion. How the delta connection will occur? Here R A B. So how it is? So 10 into 20 plus 20 into 5 plus 5 into 10 divided by, so 5, that gives it 350 by 5, that is equal to 70 ohms. So now RBC, here RBC is, so already we know that the numerator value is 350 and RBC, so in general, so here we see that RBC, here see, observe this one. RBC is nothing but, which is in general BC is there but A is not there, so A is substitute in denominator. A is how much? 10. So numerator is 350 is the common, so 350 divided by 10, that gives the 35 ohms. Now in AC, B is not there, A, B, C, so AC is there, B is not there, so denominator you should, so put the value is B, that is 20 ohms. Now numerator is always same value for all resistors, so 350 divided by 20, that is 17.5 ohms. Here see, observe this one, this 17.5, 70 and 35. So here observe this one, 35 and 15 both are in parallel. So 35 and 15 parallel, so we could get, what is that? So parallel condition. So here 10 ohms, 20 ohms, 5 ohms, so this is the equivalent delta connected, 17.5, 70 ohms, 35 ohms. Now 35 and 15 is parallel, so the final answer is 10.5 ohms. And 70 and 30 is also parallel. 70 and 30 is also parallel. So what is that? 70 and 30, which gives a 21 ohms. So 70 into 30 divided by 70 plus 30, that is 21 ohms. And this 21 and this 21 and here 10.5 both are in series. So and which is in parallel with the that cases. Now here 25 plus 17.5 parallel with 21 plus 10.5, that is 25 plus 17.5 parallel with 31.5. Now RAB is 36.25. Here the value is 36.25, RAB is 36.25. This is the simple problem in conversion methods.